Now let's make this moving trap. It's going to move back and forward between two positions, and it'll be on while it's moving one way, and then it'll turn off while it's moving the other way. So you have to time when you run past it. So let's go and make that. We'll add a script to an object. It really could be anything, but I think these flames are pretty cool. Most importantly, we want it to be an obstacle, so we're going to go give it that obstacle tag when it's created. From sensing, add tag, obstacle. And then the player will detect when they touch it, and they will die. Then we want to give it a velocity, start it moving in a direction. So from physics, set velocity x, let's make it 100. Okay, now we want it to constantly figure out which way it's going to be moving, if it's gone too far one way or the other. So we'll grab our constantly block from events, and we want to check if its current position has gone too far. So we need an if block, and we then need a greater than block from operators. Greater than. If x position on myself is greater than my maximum x position. So from transform we want x position of myself, and then in here we're going to make up a new variable. So go to variables, grab true false I, change that to number, and change I to maximum x position. Maximum x position. Now we haven't given this variable a value yet. What we're going to do is we're going to make each of these traps able to have their own value. They're each going to be able to have their own maximum and minimum x positions, and we'll set them as public variables. So if my x position has gone past my maximum x position, that means I need to turn around and go the other way. So we'll set my velocity x to negative 100. Then we're going to do the same thing for the minimum position. Check if it's gone too far to the left, if its x position is smaller than minimum x position. So we'll make a new variable for that. Minimum x position. And if it has gone too far to the left, we want it to start moving to the right again. Set velocity x 100. So that'll make it move back and forward. Now we need to give these values maximum and minimum x position. So let's first close this script and save it. We're going to call it moving trap.